Roberts 3085 Multipurpose Adhesive is a commercial-grade adhesive developed for the direct glue installation of most commercial and residential carpets. It offers great adjustability time and, once dry, a very strong bond to hold pattern carpets in place. 3085 has a moisture vapor emission rate of 5 pounds and an RH of 80%. Covering up to 180 square feet per gallon depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions, it has an open time of up to 40 minutes and a working time of up to 70 minutes. 3085, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer a 2-year shelf life and a lifetime warranty when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers.